Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Profit Data Hub for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore Razorpay payment gateway. Okay, so before getting into this, I will explain where I am utilizing this payment gateway. Okay, so especially this trade tester is there. So you can claim as a free, and there are three services are there. So whenever I come with any kind of a service as from the trade tester, I will definitely tell you that you can claim this via referral. Okay, so it is an easy step. You can visit www.profitradaweb.com and just click on this open online Allies Blue trading account. Okay, so a page is there. So you just have to click on this open my free account now. Okay, and just give the number and you can claim all the trade tester available services free of cost. Okay, and you have seen in my videos. So available things are available as for analysis, for trading, for webhooks, for client server communication, and all of the services are available. And even for Allies Blue, you can come to me. You can take the customization as per your choice. We will get together. We'll do this stuff. Okay, so apart from other trading services is available. So suppose if you want to customize certain strategy and want to trade and automate. Okay, and if you want to get some framework, so that is also can be done. So you can contact me back by WhatsApp for all those reasons. Okay, so you can utilize this stuff. Now, if I talk about as these services, I definitely required a payment gateway. So if you come to my WhatsApp and tell me your customization, your each and everything, so definitely there will be charges will be there. If you are getting with free of cost, then there is no problem. And so suppose if you get partnered, so I offer the partnership account as well. So you can get partner with Allies Pro under my referral, and I can get you some customized service. From that, what you can do, you can go with as a say we can say the authorized partner to Allies Pro and can offer the services to your customer as well, helping them out to your traders. So all of the stuff will be as to build a good community. Now building this should be an in a positive way, and other things are that you should not get into gray area. It should be we can say as a white label. Should be a good and in a positive way. Now, if you get any kind of a certification from Nizam, okay, and if you are offering the services, so for that reason also you can contact me if you are a sub broker, authorized partner, or any way connected to financial services or fintech. So that reason also you can contact me. Okay, so I can offer the services. Now, what happens? The main reason of adopting this Razorpay or any kind of a payment gateway, you can integrate with your website and can offer the services and can get the payment. Okay, so you just sign up with Razorpay if you're looking for account for website. For that reason also you can contact me. So I will help you out. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on this login. Okay, and you have to give your email address or say phone number, and you just have to click on the continue. So I will do the same. So I will just hit the continue. Now what happens? It will ask for the OTP. So I need to fill the OTP. So when the OTP is filled, we can see that we are in our Razorpay home. So we just we can say as in proceed, and each and everything is available. Okay, so we need to check. So if you just click on this button as in payment, so as you can see links are there, payment pages are there. Okay, so if you test mode, okay, so if you just get with account and settings, so what happens? Websites and app settings are there. So if you just click on the API keys, Uh, so website and API keys will be there, and we just required for the test mode. Okay, so plus add website or app. Okay, so we can get on this details, and we just have to first of all click on this test mode. Okay, so test mode is there. So now as you can see, API keys and integration is available. So all I have to click is generate key, and it will give me this generate key. Okay, so I can download this stuff and even can copy this. So just I will save it, and so you won't available. So you need to download this stuff. So it is definitely available in CSV, so I can check it out. Okay, so I got my details, and you still can add and try to see how things are going. Okay, so especially this is in my test mode. So if you want to get with the live, so that will be in a different way. But to test, you can utilize this stuff. Okay. And now what we can do, so suppose if this stuff is done, documentation. Okay, so if you just click on this documentation, will open and the docs where we can see what are the things we can do. So as you can see, a login dashboard and how we are proceeding. Okay, so this will so as you can see, there is a test mode is there, which we just on, and we have just added the details. So we can say if you're looking for a website or app, so I think definitely the details are already filled. So in just test mode, you just have to generate the key. So just get it, and then after you can go with any of the documentation references, can get with the request model. So but we are going with the Python, so we can go with the API references. Okay, and as you can see, each and everything is available. How you can get and what are the URLs. Okay, and you can get with understanding all of the stuff, API and authentication, understanding Razorpay, and best stuff is sandbox setups. So you can check from here. So everything is available, and if you just click on this integrate and all, so it will get you to the main stuff. Okay, I mean the documentation explaining how things are going on, okay, and how you can do. Okay, so all this stuffs are available, so you can utilize the stuff. Show you that GitHub page, so that will be very much helpful. So if you just get this, try to click on this GitHub repo. So it will get you the Razorpay Python client. Okay, so this is how we easily can get started. So first of all, you have to get your API keys. So all of this stuff, it is not a new thing if you are following ProfitFed web channel and the website if you are trading. So it won't be like a complicated stuff. Just get your API credentials, each and everything, and after that, I will guide each and everything. Okay, so try this stuff. Just get the Razor Pay account. Just get with Allies Blue even to understand their products, and after that you can partner with Allies Blue, can offer the services to your client customer. Okay, and even if you are have some certification, and if you are any connected way offering financial services for all reasons, you can contact me. I can give you the customization, even can get you the web part. Okay, connecting domain, connecting payment gateway. Okay, then we can create a good community part and all of the services. So you just combine each and everything, do your research, and just contact me direct via WhatsApp. I will help you out. Okay, as of right now, just get with your API key, API secret, and for further videos, I will come and we will do this stuff in Python. Okay, as of right now, thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.